Hello guys, welcome to this new video on VS Code. In the last video, I had shown you how you could run C code on Xcode on Mac machine. But I got some responses from a few subscribers that can you just show how you can do the same with VS Code. So this is the video for that. So in VS Code, if you want to run C code on your Mac, then this is the right video for you. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So I have my VS Code window open here and I have just created a folder called a C++ in which we will be running the C++ code. So first of all, you need to just go in the extensions of C++ tab and you can search for Code Runner, which is a solid extension which VS Code provides. So here is the Code Runner extension which can help you to run C++, Java, PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby, Go, Lua, Groovy, all kind of programming languages in your system, and you just need to install it. So I have already installed it, so I don't need to do it again. So besides this, if you also want some help in assistance in writing C++, so you can also install the C++ IntelliSense option, which is there in the extension itself. So once you are done with that, you can start writing your C++ code with ease. So what I will do is that I will just write a C++ code. So let me just give some name to it, sample.c++. Okay. So now from here you can start typing your C++ code. So I won't be writing it like, so let me use my coding assistant ChatGPT here. So I have ChatGPT open here and I just asked ChatGPT to write some sample code in C++ to greet someone. So ChatGPT gave me this code. So let us try to run this code on your VS Code. So I open this VS Code. Oh, before running the code, you need to save it. So I just save all. And then what I do is that, first of all, you need to check if you have the C++ compiler inside your machine or not. So for that, what you can do is that there is this Clang, which is an inbuilt compiler which in your Mac system. So just check for if Clang is installed on your system or not. So I will check using Clang version command and I see that okay, Clang is installed on my system, so I don't need to install it again. But if you don't find Clang on your systems, so the command to install Clang is pretty simple. You just need to write this on your terminal window. So I will just show you the command. It is Xcode, then select and then dash dash install. So just run this command and Clang will get installed on your system. So since it is there on my system, I don't need to do it again. So let's try to run this code now. I'll just close the terminals and this is my code. I just saved the code. Yes, and then you can run it. So here there are few options. You can run the code. You can run the code in debug mode also. So first I will run the code and show it to you. So, okay. So it asks me what is your name. So I can just type my name here and okay, it works fine. The code got compiled. It got created into an executable file here that is from the CPP. A executable sample got created and the code runner just ran my code and gave me this output. For few of you guys which are following the video, if you face any issue when taking input from the user, it might be because your terminal is in the read-only mode. So for that, what you can do is that you can go into the settings tab and you can just select and search for code runner here. So I'll just select for code runner. So this is the code runner settings option, and in this you just need to tick on the tab where it is written that run in terminal. So you see this code runner run in terminal, whether to run the code in integrated terminal. Yes, just tick this thing and your problem will get solved. So let me just try to run some more complex code into this. Okay, Master Chat GPT, help me out. So this is a factorial code. So I'll just explain you the code quickly. So we have again the main library IOStream, then you have the standard namespace, then we have the main function here from which the entry point starts. We have a variable here called as n, then we have a long factorial variable here 1, then we have cout that enter a positive integer whatever, then we take the input from the user and store it in this variable that we have declared n, then we run it through the for loop and inside the for loop we just go on multiplying with the factorial and we just try to print it out. So let me just save this thing and again run it. So in my terminal, you can see enter a positive number. So let me just enter 15 maybe. So okay, the factorial of 15 is this, and here you see that we get this percentage symbol in the output. So if you want to get rid of that, what you can do is that after this equal to, and here you can put just a slash n, save all, run again, positive integer 15. Yes, the percentage symbol is gone. So this is how you can run the C++ code on your VS Code. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys, for your competitive programming problems, you must be using VS Code. And so I hope that you have got what I have shown in this video, and feel free to write any issues that you face while compiling C++ code on your VS Code in the comment section below. Till then, see you next time.